Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Umendra and today we see the pizza sales analysis dashboard using Power BI. This dashboard showing the pizza sales analysis dashboard. So it is a include the comparison charts and the pie diagrams and also total revenues and many more things in that project. This is a dashboard of that pizza sales. It is including the total revenues, average orders, total pizza sold, average pizza sold orders, and total number of orders. And it is a pizza categories as a filter. And this is a total price sold by pizza categories. It is a pie diagram, and this is a other diagram. It is a comparison of this total price, total pizza sold by pizza size, and this is a average pizza per order by pizza sales. It is a comprise the values average pizza per order and pizza size. It is a L, M, S, XL, extra large. It is a large. It is a extra large. It is a small, medium, and it is a low. And this is a pizza name. It is a comparison chart wise the revenues of that total revenues, including different types of pizzas like the big meat pizzas, the calibrate pizzas, and there are many more things like the Greek pizzas, and it's a total revenue in that total revenue. And this is again comparison chart of that pizza. It's including the total pizza sold by pizza categories like total pizza sold. It is a 0k to 10k and it is a pizza categories including classic, supreme, vegan and chicken. It is a showing the pizza categories and total pizzas. So this sales showing the total revenue is 817.86k is the total revenue, and order total average order is 38.31 and total price sold is 50k, and average pizza per order is 2.32 and total number of order is 21k in the pizza sales. And this is a filter used for the categories of this pizza like it is a chicken and it is a classic, and used to comparison of that categories of pizzas like a chicken, classic, and then supreme, and then veggie. So this is a chicken comparison or a sales analysis, and then it is a classic, and then supreme sales pizza categories and veggie. So this is the overall comparison of the pizza sales in the different categories of that pizza. It is the total revenues of that pizza and its categories including different pizza names and overall pizza sales, and it's a total revenue, and it is a this comparison showing the equal sizes like large, low, medium and small. large, medium and small. Sorry, it is equally ordered in the pizza size, and this is a comparison of this distribution of this. L is a large and M is a medium and S is a small. So 4K is a medium and this 5K pizza size is large, and then 3K is a small, and this is a categories of the pizza. It is a supreme categories in that comparison of pie diagram. And then move to chicken. Yes, so chicken is the size is decreases in that way, and it is a large side is large size are increases. It is a maximum percentage of 5K, and it is a 4K and it is 3K, means it is a large size is more sold, and then it is a 4K means medium size, and then small size is sold, and comparison of that other as a classic. Yes, so yes, so this is a comparison of these classic categories. It is including total revenues, average orders and total price, and the average price sold and total number of order of that pizza sales. And it is a pizza categories is a classic is a full in a pie diagram, and it is a pizza size is small, medium, large, extra large and very large. It is a maximum size of sold pizzas is small size. It is a sales maximum is 6K is a small size, and then 4K is a large, and then it is a medium size, and then again 4K is a medium and large is a 4K. It is a both are same equal distribution of solding, and it is a price pizza size and average pizza per order. It is a decreases the sizes like small is greater and medium is equal, large is also equal, but extra large is decreases, and very large is again decreases, and it is a classic categories is equal. It is about 10K, and then move to veg veggie categories. So it is a total revenues 193.69K, and average order is 21.66, and total price sold, sorry, total pizza sold is 12K, and average pizza per order 1.30, and then total number of order is 8,941. It is a all analysis of these categories. It is a maximum percentage of that size is large size is maximally sold in that categories, and then medium and then small. So this is all about comparison of that four categories of that pizzas. So it is a filter to comprise the values of the pizza. It is a overall information of these different categories of the pizzas in the dashboard. It is a using the Power BI, and it is a use to visualize, analyze of that sales in that form. It is a helping many times to solve the many problems in industries, like visualize and work fast, and it is a efficient device to minimize the human work. It is a visualize and analyze the more data efficiently. Thank you.